Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the contacts application. Then go to the keep off, fix and manage section. Then select import from SIM, because in our case we're going to transfer contacts from SIM card to our device. So select import from SIM, then you select save to device. Here you can select contacts which you want to import. So tap import, remove copies from SIM, keep them. And as you can see, now we have these contacts on our device. So yeah, so we have them on our SIM card and also on our device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.